Okay, I've got to be quick. I've got about 10 minutes to get this telescope on Mars because tonight is the 18th of February 2021, the night that Perseverance, NASA's space rover, hopefully with all the best of luck in the world and the skill of all the people involved, lands safely on Mars. Now, if that doesn't happen, I don't think I can put this video out, but best of luck to them. I could be inside watching the live feed with my wife on YouTube as it lands in real time, but it's clear out. I can't stand the suspense, to be quite frank, and I thought it'd be pretty cool and a bit different to try and capture images of Mars from Earth as that lander lands. Now, obviously you can't see it, that goes without saying. Before anyone says, I'm not expecting to be able to see it, but I just thought it'd be really cool for you and I to see images of Mars from Earth as that lander's making its way through the atmosphere and hopefully, with all the luck and skill in the world, lands safely on the red planet. So I've got about 5-10 minutes to get this trained on Mars with my tiny sensor of my Logitech C270 webcam with a Barlow lens. It's going to be quite a challenge. There's no tracking with this mini Dobsonian, the Heritage 150p, so I've got to position Mars on one side of that sensor and let it drift across. I'll probably only get a matter of seconds if I'm lucky to quickly capture some AVI footage, and maybe if I can get a few of those I can stitch them together and stack them and get some kind of image to show you guys. Hopefully I've got something to show you in a moment, and hopefully Perseverance lands safely.